Alright, here's a little video of making or collecting sap from Manitoba maples. It's April 5th. What you have to do, well, April 5th here in Saskatchewan, we still have snow on the ground. It's melting. Usually when it gets above zero in the daytime and freezing at night, that's the best time to collect the syrup. What we do here is we're just collecting it. I drilled a hole in the tree. You don't have to go very far, maybe an inch. And then I got with a 5/8 drill bit, and then I have a 1/2 inch copper pipe driven into that hole. Now what we need to do is we have to collect the sap, or whatever you want to call it, sap, syrup, whatever. We need 40 liters to make 1 liter of maple syrup. This is Manitoba maples right from my yard. I'm going to be collecting more once I get some more jugs set up. And then what I do is I just put it on one of those turkey fryer burners and evaporate the water. Anyway, I'll make a video of that later on. Alright, just some little thing that I do every spring. Thought I'd let you know. Okay, hope you enjoy it. Okay guys, I got to add to this maple syrup video. I collected some sap. I didn't get that much this year. It was kind of a short run for me. So I filled up this canner, whatever, and I cooked it off on my fire pit for a little while just to get a little smoky flavor to it. And now I have it on the it's a turkey burner actually. And what I'll do now is I'll just cook it down. I don't have a very big heat. You don't want to burn it, and I'll just cook it down until the water evaporates out of it, and we'll have our syrup. We'll check back on it in a little while. Just got it going. It's going to take a while to get boiling, but pretty close now. All right. Well, it's still cooking off. We got her boiling pretty good right now. It's getting later in the evening. I want to get it done. I'll check back with it later. You'll see finished product soon. Manitoba maple syrup. Just about done. She's starting to foam pretty good. The whole pail was full at one time. That's all I'm going to get out of it. Just that little bit in the bottom. Use 40 liters of sap to make 1 liter of syrup. I've been doing this quite a while today. It's quite the job, but it's going to be awesome. And you know where it comes from. Not some chemical crap. Well, I hope you like the video. It's just about finished. I'll be setting her down and cooling it off and trying it out. Hope you like it. Subscribe. It'd be nice. Thumbs up. Whatever you want to do. Comment. See you again. Okay guys, I'm back with maple syrup that I made. This is all I got out of that whole pail. And these jugs, I just recycled them. They're not actually President's Choice. But this one is how much? 500 mil. So I got 1.5. No, I didn't. 3/4 of a liter. That's all I got out of that whole pail. But it is very good. There's a little bit of sediment on the bottom, but no big deal at all. It's all natural, no chemicals. The way it's supposed to be. Hope you enjoyed this video.